fuck? You can't even go through there, what the hell? That was a... like, that's literally a dead end and she just went over it, what the fuck? That's not an entrance. You can't go through that road like that. Of course. Fuck me, man. Alright. A bit of a rush, mate, sorry. Okay, alright, chill. Fucking. Alright, fucking hell. You really wanted to go that bad, man. Let's go park it here. Always makes me nervous. Like, is it gonna shift? Is it not? It's fucking with me. Fuck me. I don't like that junction. And you can piss off and all. What the fuck are you doing behind me? Just go. Fuck off. I can't stay behind you. I just can't anymore. You're torturing my bike. I don't appreciate it. Why do they always drive 20 in a 30? I never used to do that. Anyway, today I bought a top box. Really difficult to open for some reason. I know what you're thinking, why would you do that to such a beautiful bike? But to be fair, it doesn't look that bad. It looks in proportion with the bike at least. And the style of the top box isn't more, it's like similar style to the bike. It's a Givey one, mono key, because like those are the monologue ones. They're designed for like low speed stuff and like low power bikes. But me, when I go like, hypothetically speaking, 100 miles an hour, this bike is bouncing around quite a lot. And you really don't want the top box to be moving well, like going through those forces normally. So what this has, instead of the typical 2 points of contact front and back, this has 3 points. And as we know, triangles are the strongest shape. So more triangles equals, well, it means that it's gonna survive better, right? Go on then. flash their brake lights before they indicate. But yeah, not only does it have those 3 points of attachment, it's also got rubber mounts. Well, not rubber mounts, but you know, like rubber feet on them, so that it takes out some of the vibration. Yeah, dude. I also figured out how to use the clock on this bike, so now it reads the actual time, so I can tell whether I can use the bus lane or not. Which I can use the bus lane, but I don't really want to right now. With your illegal fucking plate, yeah, no way am I gonna give you any chance of being next to me. You'd fuck right off. Probably fucking stole that motherfucker. Like, who the fuck rides around with black and white plates like that? Bro, there's no way that's a legit moped, man. He's sus. He's very sus. But as I was saying, oh, fuck your cigarette, man. Put it out for you. These fucking smokers, man. They just chuck shit out the window all the time. But yeah, I got the smallest one of PKs because number one, it looks completely out of proportion if I get the big ones because they're really big. But number two, I am a cheapskate. I can't afford proper cases. Aerodynamic stability is important as well. That's why I chose a small case. But also, because of the fact that when I filter, I don't want it to be wider than my shoulders. And I'm quite a small guy. I have broad shoulders for a small guy, but that doesn't mean that I'm, you know, not gonna get a top box hitting cars instead of my shoulders. I always use, fuck this shit, man. I can't believe why there are so many fucking cars in this game. Why is so many fucking drivers today, man? Ah, God, it really doesn't like these speeds, man. You guys need to hurry up. You know, I wouldn't rev, but I have no horn right now. Like, my horn, it just isn't working, so... You're getting bullied by a bus. Fuck me. I can't really slow down enough for that bus when it turns there, man. It's a very sketchy place to turn for a bus. Because you've got buses turning one side, blocking the vision. Yeah, I can't stop for that either, man. I'm not slamming my brakes, you mad? Okay then. Ah, fucking hell. I can't stop kicking this.